got the hiccups. Hey, Claire. The hiccups, huh? Oh, goodness. Oh, did you have the hiccups? Oh, goodness. What's Grandpa doing, huh? What's he doing? Hmm? Oh, get the hiccups. I think she kind of looks like George.
All that work and she looks like George.